Shane Warne's close friend Ed Sheeran has taken to Instagram to share that he is absolutely gutted following the death of the legendary cricketer earlier today, aged 52. The musician, 31, reflected on the final conversation he had with Shane as he paid tribute to his friend in a heartbreaking post. In view of his 37.2 million followers, the Shape of You hitmaker told how he last spoke to Shane earlier this week. The star shared a snap of Shane with record executive Michael Udensky, who died on March 1. Ed wrote, "The world keeps taking incredible people away. I spoke to Shane on the anniversary of Michael's passing this week, saying we were both raising a glass of 707 in his honor, and now this news comes out. Sick, Shane was the kindest heart, and always went above and beyond to make people feel welcome and special," he added. The singer went on, "Such a gentleman. He gave so many hours and years of his life to bring joy to others, and was such an amazing friend to me. I'll be why miss you, mate." Absolutely gutted, he ended his post. Shane died of a suspected heart attack at the age of 52. The cricket legend's death was confirmed earlier today in a statement from his management team. They said that he had been found unresponsive in his villa on the Thai island of Koh Samui. The statement read, "Shane was found unresponsive in his villa, and despite the best efforts of medical staff, he could not be revived. The family requests privacy at this time and will provide further details in due course." Tributes began to pour in following the devastating news. Piers Morgan wrote, "Absolutely devastated to hear that Ed Shane Warne has died from a heart attack aged just 52. He was a genius cricketer, a supreme entertainer, a fantastic bloke and a great loyal friend for many years. Just gutting news. R.I.P. Warne, I loved every minute in your company." Other stars have also weighed in on the news, calling it truly shocking. Monty Don tweeted, "The news of Shane Warne's untimely death is truly shocking. For those of us who love cricket, he enriched our lives beyond measure.